Learning how to live with diabetes in your life. From knowing how to control your diet to figuring out the right types of exercises you can do to keep your blood sugar properly balanced, you have the power to live a normal and productive life if you have diabetes. The tips below can help empower and embolden you to get healthy. If you want to get oats into your diet but you don't like eating a bowl of oatmeal, put them in your muffins and have one for breakfast. You can take any muffin recipe and add as much oats as possible, and throw in some cinnamon for an extra diabetes-fighting punch. Enjoy foods like eggs, beans and Greek yogurt that are high in protein but low in fat. Try making some meals from the recipes in diabetic cookbooks. Diabetics don't have to give up that sweet tooth just because of their condition. There are many websites available that offer sugar-free recipes and ideas for cakes, cookies and other sweet snacks. Grocery and health food stores also have sections especially arranged for sugar-free and diabetic sweets. Enroll in a diabetes class or schedule meetings with a diabetes educator. Your physician is a good source of health information, too, but an educator is specifically trained to bring medical jargon down to your level. An educator or class can take a lot of the mystery out of your diabetes treatment plan, which is important in order for you to be active in your health care. Engage in physical activity for at least 30 minutes 5 days a week. Not only will this help to get you fit, it will aid in lowering your A1C level. The ideal level is lower than 7%. Use this tip to help keep your A1C level in this targeted range. Getting and staying healthy with diabetes will help to ensure that your blood glucose levels are always normal. This means that you won't end up suffering from dead tissue and amputations, blindness, or other complications. It's important that you use the tips provided in this video to assist with diabetes. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.